The Hamilton Beach Power Elite Wave Action Blender is a versatile kitchen tool designed to deliver ultra-smooth blending performance with its 700-watt motor and stainless steel ice saber blades. Perfect for smoothies, shakes, and frozen drinks, this blender uses the wave action system to continuously circulate ingredients, ensuring smooth and consistent blending. With a 40 ounces dishwasher-safe glass jar, it's easy to prepare and serve multiple servings without the mess, thanks to its spill-resistant spout. The blender also features 12 blending functions, making it a multifunctional tool for everything from crushing ice to pureeing and chopping. Users love the Hamilton Beach Power Elite Blender for its powerful 700-watt motor that crushes ice and blends frozen ingredients with ease. The wave action system is especially praised for its ability to create smooth textures by continuously forcing ingredients down into the blades. The 40 ounces glass jar is durable, easy to clean, and large enough to make multiple servings. With 12 blending functions, it offers versatility for a wide range of tasks, including making smoothies, purees, and frozen drinks. The spill-resistant spout makes serving mess-free, and the dishwasher-safe parts are a huge plus for easy cleanup. While the Hamilton Beach Power Elite Blender is effective for most tasks, some users have noted a few potential downsides. The plastic base may feel less durable compared to higher-end models with stainless steel bases. Additionally, some users have reported that the blender can be a bit loud during operation, especially when crushing ice or blending hard ingredients. The 12 functions are controlled by only 5 buttons, which may be confusing for some, and the motor may struggle with very thick mixtures, requiring more liquid for better consistency. Overall, the Hamilton Beach Power Elite Wave Action Blender is a powerful, versatile, and affordable option for those looking to make smoothies, shakes, and more. Its 700-watt motor, wave action system, and 12 blending functions provide everything you need for a variety of tasks. While it may not be as quiet or as sturdy as premium models, its glass jar, easy-to-clean parts, and mess-free serving spout make it a great value for everyday kitchen use. If you found this review helpful and want to explore more, don't miss out. Check the product using the link in the description and see it for yourself.